Osun, represented by the rooster, the trusted man of Olofin. Story: the rooster was Olofin's trusted man, and for this reason, he knew all his secrets. However, Eshu, who always wanted to know everything, was intrigued and wanted to understand what Olofin's life was like. One day, Eshu saw the rooster leaving Olofin's room and realized that he possessed a privilege that no one else in the world had. It turns out that the rooster always saw Eshu as just another saint, and he flaunted that privilege until one day Eshu decided to destroy him. Days passed, and Eshu went to Olofin's house, and when he arrived, the first to come out was the rooster, who asked him, "What do you want?" Eshu replied, "To see Olofin," to which the rooster told him it was impossible. "No one but me can see him, so tell me anything you need." Eshu then said, "Why do you resort to such nonsense? I know how Olofin lives." Then Eshu and the rooster started to argue, during which Eshu hypnotized him with his ashe, to the extent that the rooster revealed that Olofin was in his undergarments, busy with his women. Upon learning this, Eshu ran away from the place. Ogun, who needed to see Olofin to improve his situation, met Eshu, who shared his troubles. Eshu told him that he would help him, and that they would go see Olofin the next day. The next day, when they arrived at Olofin's house, the rooster passed in front of Eshu and Ogun with his usual pride, and that's when Eshu became even more determined in his project. At the door, Eshu pushed it open and entered, surprising Olofin in that situation. Annoyed, Olofin asked, "Who are you?" and Eshu, having the courage to enter his house, replied, "I am Eshu, and I've come to talk to you." Then Olofin said, "You do not know that you have to speak with the rooster first." To which Eshu replied, "Well, father, why all these requirements if I know how you live?" This surprised Olofin, who said, "Who told you how I live? If the only one who knows is the rooster, because nobody else can know, and he must have told you." At that moment, the rooster made his entrance, which Eshu announced to Olofin. Olofin then ordered him detained and said, "For a long time you have been my trusted man, and I trusted you completely. But you have failed to keep my secret, and therefore, as long as the world is world, Eshu, the one to whom you have revealed my secrets, he himself will consume you, to Ibn Eshu." Note: this was the first time Eshu ate rooster. This Odu explains that secrets must be kept to preserve life. Here speaks Iya Agba, who is the spirit of Osun, representing the mother of Orunmila.